welcome back to the lab. It's been way too long. It's been about a month since I started my new job. I haven't done anything RC related. I've been saving my money until I got caught back up with bills, which I have caught back up with bills. Don't pay attention to that. I'll get to that in a minute. Don't get ahead of me. Like, honestly, I haven't had shit to do anything RC related. Like, at Domino's, I was making 10 an hour and kept getting promises of moving up and up and up and up, but they kept dragging their ass. So I dumped him and started working at another food place. But my cat decided she wanted to be in the video today. So, that's cool. Basically, now that more money's rolling in, I'll be able to do more RC stuff. This is Gamora. She's a brat. Alright, now get down. I have work to do. Now, since it's cold outside, I was like, I can either get like a little mini indoor crawler to fuck with, or I can get a drift car. Since we have hardwood floors all throughout. I thought the choice was pretty easy. So, the FXX 2.0 by NST. What drew me to this one, it's got a front-rear layout where the motor's in the front and wheels in the back. And for paint for the body, I picked up, let me get the plastic off here, Tamiya Metallic Purple. That's gonna look fire when that gets done. That's a badass color. The rims are not green. Wheels, whatever the fuck. If you wanna get technical, who cares? You know what the fuck you're talking about either way. The wheels that came in this kit are not green like I thought they would be. They're chrome, which is alright. I was just hoping they were green so I could go for green and purple. Say already I pulled out the instruction book just because I wanted to see what kind of Chinglish I was dealing with. Because all I've ever built in the past are Tamiya kits, and anybody who's ever built a Tamiya kit knows don't drive it. It's literally built to put it on a shelf. But this is much better. Like, even like the texture is like actual booklet material. Diagrams, proper names, proper picture. Enough jabbering, enough shooting the shit. Let's dig into this box. Let's see what we got. Alright, so as you can see here, I got the parts bags separated out of the box that it came in. I haven't decided what I want to start first. I don't know if I would just want to follow the manual and do it step by step, or if I want to start off by doing something simple like, I don't know, putting the wheels together. This is what I was talking about. Like, right here. On the box box says green wheels. This one comes with something totally different and they're chrome, which I mean isn't a huge deal, but just wasn't the look I was going for, I guess. Oh well, is what it is. No big deal. Like, I mean, I can honestly repaint those if I wanted to. They're plastic. Never actually had a 1/10 scale drifter before, so I'm not entirely sure on what I'm in for as far as assembly goes. I do know I'm probably gonna get this painted like Sunday or a day I'm off work, probably day after Christmas. I'll just leave that in the box for now. Flipping through the instructions here, nothing actually looks super complicated. I did notice there's some extremely small ball bearings that I am horrified to lose. Like microscopic pinhead size bearings, so those have to go in somewhere. That's gonna be fun. Nothing in the book about wheels and tires, So, we'll just fucking wing it. Now, I know drift tires are either like, yeah, that's what I thought. They're like a rubberized plastic. Like, they're definitely plastic, but they have like a little bit of grip to them. Like, they're hard. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, it's tight. Okay. I have to cut off a little bit. Just a little bit. Perfect. There is one wheel. Now, let's do that 3 more times. Sped up. Alright, that is 4 wheels done. First piece done. Now if we go by the manual, first thing they have us do is the front lower arm assembly. There's quite a bit of pieces in there. Don't tell me they're all in the same parts bag. That would be dope. Okay. This kit is already 1,000 times better than Tamiya ever will be. Part bag 1. I don't know if you can read that. Let me focus. Like literally, they're all in the same part bag. You don't have to go through 3 different fucking part bags to get to hallelujah. So yeah, it's literally bag by bag and piece by piece. Oh God, let me see. All right, so first parts bag makes sense. Where's number 2? All right, here's part bag 2. Let's see if part bag 2 is like part bag 1, where everything is in there. It fucking is. This is gonna be easy. I'm gonna get this done in like 2 days. Yes. I went to take my chair back so I could start recording an outro, but how could I move that? Look at that. Gamora. Kiki. That's precious. Now that I know what I'm dealing with this, now that I know what I'm dealing with this build, I'm so much more excited to get it done. Like, every kit I've ever put together in the past has literally been Tamiya. And if anybody's ever built a Tamiya kit, you know you gotta search through this part bag, and this part bag, and this part bag. But that is it for this video, first part of the build. Now y'all know what's up with me, where I'm at, where I've been at. Now that I'm where I want to be, there's a lot more content coming. Keep an eye out for the next part of this build series, I guess. I don't know how many videos you need for a series, but it's gonna be more than a couple. Check back, never know when I'll drop it. I could drop it tomorrow, I could drop it later today, I could drop it 3 days from now. Subscribe and you'll find out. It's the only way to know. It's the only way to be cool. Hit that subscribe button. Be part of the crew. I just came up with that. I like that. But I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.